on c64online.com. We're going to try and do level 1 of Hover Bovver. So I'm going to start. Here we go. Jim won't mind if I borrow his mower. I used to be quite good at this. Remember to. Right, so we've got to try and cut all the grass without getting caught by the neighbour. Your dog is there to help you. But if you collide with your dog, it causes problems as well. Now I've caught the flower beds, so I've also got the gardener after me. Which is okay at the minute. They're trapped. He's coming out. Get on this side. You can get quite tense. So back down the other. Use the hedge to block the gardener. Haven't had to use the dog yet, I will in a minute. It's quite satisfying. Right, now I've got a bit of a problem. I need to get the gardener and the neighbour in the same area. Come on. I'm gonna need the dog in a minute. Get them both down here. And then the far side now up. I've hit the dog, that's why mower's overheated. Luckily I'm saved because they're walking into the hedge. Down, let's go back up. Oh no, I'm in trouble! I need the dog. I'm in big trouble! Give me that mower. I thought I was going to do that in one life. Watch the animation. Hopefully the grass doesn't reset, may it carry on. That was tense. Where am I? Alright, we haven't got the gardener after us at the minute. Just the neighbour. Making good headway. Dog's fairly tolerant. I need to get a neighbour over this side again. Come on. That's it. We're good. We need to get across the top now. Full speed. And down. We've got it now. So attack the neighbour a bit anyway. Get him. Should we just plough into the flowers just to get the garden out? And there we have level 1 of Hover Bovver. I'm going to let Bradley try it later on. See how he gets on with it. It's pretty good though. A dog like ease. How many points do they get? For quite a while. He's taking the mower, and then we'll leave it there till later.